Good morning, students. Students, today I will teach you about degrees of comparison. Students, do you know what is adjective? The adjectives describe the quality of a noun or a pronoun. See here, I have written here. Now, adjectives of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. Now, see here degrees of comparison. Number one is positive degree, number two is comparative degree, number three is superlative degree. Now, as it is clear that there are three kinds of degrees of comparison. Let's explain all the three degrees. See here, number one is positive degree. It is used to qualify one object, person, or place without making any comparison. Means only one object is qualified. For example, I have written here Mohan is a tall boy. Mohan is a tall boy. Means this Mohan tall is qualifying about the Mohan. The quality of Mohan is that he is a tall boy. Now come to the next. See here, number two is comparative degree. It denotes a higher degree of the quality than the positive and is used when two things are compared. See here, it's clear written, two things are compared. And number two is than word is used with the comparative objective in the sentence and er added to the positive. Here er added to the positive. For example, I have written here Sohan is taller than Mohan. Here you see than is used because two objects are compared, two nouns are compared, and in the positive degree tall er is added. I have written here, try to make it more clear, that a noun plus object positive plus er plus than plus noun. Here noun is Sohan, positive is tall, and er added in the positive degree. Then than is used, then other noun, because two nouns are compared, so than is used. So Sohan is taller than Mohan. I think it's clear. Now come to the third degree, superlative degree. The superlative degree, it denotes the highest degree of the quality and is used when more than two things are compared. Here you see two things are compared, here more than two things are compared. And second thing, the is added before positive degree and est to the positive. Here you see I have written the example, Ravi is the tallest boy in the class. Means no one is taller than Ravi. So here the is used before the positive degree tallest and est is used in the positive degree tall. So I have tried to make it more clear. Noun plus the plus positive plus est plus noun, means noun the is used before tall, this positive degree, and est added to the positive degree, then again noun. So Ravi is the tallest boy in the class. So I think it's clear. Now students, there are some rules to form comparative and superlative degree from the positive degree. So I have written here some rules. So see here, rule number one is some adjectives form their comparative degree by adding er and the superlative degree by adding est to the positive degree. See the example, sweet, positive, comparative. To make comparative you have to add er, and for superlative est added in the positive sweet. So sweet, sweeter, sweetest, small, smaller, smallest. Number two rule is When the positive ends in E, only R and ST are added. See here, like brave, it's ending in E. Last letter is E, so you have to add only R and here ST in the superlative degree. So brave, braver, bravest, white, whiter, whitest. See rule number 3. When the positive ends in Y preceded by a consonant, the Y is changed into I before adding ER and EST. Here, point to note, um, in happy, the last it's ending with Y, and before Y is there is consonant, so Y will change into I, then ER will be added, and EST here, EST in the superlative degree will be added. Point to be noted that if there is the word is ending, positive degree is ending with Y, and before that there is consonant, then only Y will be changed into I. See here, happy, happier, happiest, easy, easier, easiest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Now come to the rule number 4. If the positive degree has Y with a vowel before it, then ER and EST is added. Here you see, when the positive degree is ending with Y and before that there is vowel. Listen carefully, when there is vowel, then Y will not change. Only ER and EST will be added, like gay, gayer, gayest, grey, grayer, greyest. Here in the above rule, I have told you, when there is consonant before Y, then Y will be changed into Y, I. And when there is vowel before Y will be not changed, only ER will be added. So now come to the next rule. Here you see rule number 5. If the positive degree ends with a single consonant with a vowel before it, then the consonant is doubled before adding ER and EST. Here you see, when the positive ends with a single consonant, here you see D is consonant, and before that when there is vowel, then the consonant will be doubled, like red. Before D there is E vowel, so D will be doubled, as here you see redder, reddest, big, bigger, biggest. Rule number 6. Adjectives of more than 2 syllables form the comparative and superlative by putting more and most before the positive. Here you see when 2 syllable adjectives ending in full, less, ing and ed, etc. take more and most to form comparative and superlative. For example, beautiful. Here you see beauty and full, beauty plus full. Here full. So when more 2 syllable or more than 2 syllables are used, beautiful, then you have to add more before the positive degree to form comparative, and most before positive degree to form superlative. See, a difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Rule number 7. Some adjectives are compared in an irregular manner. That means their comparative and superlative are not formed from the positive. As in the above rules, ER and EST are used, but here in the irregular manner, it is not used. For example, in positive, if positive word is good and well, comparative will be better and best. Here much, more, most. Here much is used for the quantity and many is used for the number. So many, more, most, and far, farther, farthest. So I have told you, I think, all the rules and regulations to form the comparative and superlative from the positive degree. Now come to your book exercise. Here it is given. See, complete the table. Fat, fatter, fattest. Nice, nicer, nicest. Long, longer, longest. Short, shorter, shortest. Great, greater, greatest. I have told you all the rules and regulation. You can tally this and use that rules and regulation. Small, smaller, smallest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Old, older, oldest. Young, younger, youngest. High, higher, highest. So I have told you about degrees of comparison. You do it in your book and do the practice. Okay, thank you, Jagrudev.